Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the downloaded files on the Samsung Internet app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Samsung Internet app. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the bottom right corner. Then tap Downloads from the menu that appears. I don't have any downloads, but if you have any, they will be here. If you tap All at the top, you can choose a category of downloads to look through by tapping on one. To open a download, just tap on it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.